how we logged into the router. Last session I have actually described about how to connect a console to the PC and get the console access. So now actually we are in a situation like we have already have the uh, a router or switch which we are configured. That stimulation is already there, that is Cisco packet tracer, and we are trying to log into the uh, router which is placed over here. So I can try logging into this router by clicking on this router, and now we are in a window where we have all the physical configuration, configs, CLIs, and attributes. So physical configuration is something like we can see the front and back of the devices. So initially we have to power on of this device to get the module placed on the particular two slots which are shown over here. So we just power off the device. Okay, and then we place these two NM2T and the NMES24. Okay, so there are four ports here and two ports here in this. Okay, so now the configuration can be then we have to power on the device and then enable the device. You can see the device is loading with the hash button here. So after that, once the device is on, okay, it's still booting. Once the device is on, we can see the config here. So click on here, just press enter. The device is still booting actually, so we will wait for some time to get the device, okay, up and running. So basically this is how, see the device, we can just log into the device because it came up. So by using the different Cisco standard commands, you can go into different modes, enable mode, configuration modes. Yeah, sorry, CONFIGTRMINA. So we can just log into different configuration mode. Do show run will give out all the configurations which are already here. So these are the basic troubleshooting, and you can see all the interface detail with the uh, inter show interfaces, show interface P, IP interface, show. So now we are in configure mode, so we have to use do show IP in. Okay, so we can see all the like interfaces which are actually connected over here. So that is about all the things. So we have a different methodology to configure. So there are a lot of basic routing commands and all, like so. This in CCNA we are actually covering about learning all the different commands. What are the different commands? How we can log into interfaces and configure the IPs, then how to enable the interfaces, like how to set the VLANs, how to configure inter-VLAN routing, how to configure VPNs, how to configure IP, VPNs like remote access VPN and site-to-site VPNs, configure the routes and establish a communication with the secondary router. So these are all the basic commands which we will be going and understanding on this uh, flagship program. On the first 2 months, you will be covering about networking, and networking is how this is, and there will be some additional ethical hacking trainings and all along with the first 2 months program. The program will covers about all the techniques and tools used to be covered in the ethical hacking, uh, uh, you know, uh, trainings. Okay, so that's all about uh, this sessions. So to make you understand on how we are actually going, the admission is still open. You can actually register for our course and get the admission. So it will be starting on May 15th. So for the next batch, which we are covering up with interns right now. So the next batch will be starting on May 15th. So wish you all the best, and thanks for joining, all the people for joining together with JP Infosec Academy and the academic uh, uh, Infosec network subsidiary. Thank you so much. Thank you.